Today I'll show you how to zoom in on parts of your presentation while also using the Morph transition. These will help with more clear communication, information retention, and of course, better looking slides. To start with, we have a blank slide. I'm going to drag and drop my image. I'll explain later where you can go to get a high resolution image, because we're going to use this technique of making our image larger on another slide, so that way we can zoom in without any blurriness to the image. The higher the resolution, the clearer the image once we make it larger. Here we go on making this one larger. I'm going to slide this bottom right hand slider to the left to shrink it a little bit. Left click and drag on the corner dot. Left click and drag on the other corner dot. And there we go. Now it's about the size that we want it. Now I'm going to go up to the slide deck on the left side, right click to duplicate the slide. And with the second slide selected, I'm going to make that slide smaller. Going to select the image by left clicking. Then I'm going to right click and select Format Picture. Then I'm going to the right side, selecting the image icon. We're now going to make it semi-transparent. To do so, picture transparency, then the transparency slider slightly to the right. This will give the image a semi-transparent nature so we can see through it to the slide, so I can get an idea of how I want to center my image. So now I'm going to center the image by left clicking. I'm going to make it larger by left clicking and dragging with the corner dots. I'll just keep doing that until I have the focus zoomed in where I want it. And I want it zoomed in and focused on South Africa. And this is about where I want it. So now I'm going back to this transparency slider, sliding it by left clicking, sliding it all the way to the left side. So the transparency is gone. And if we look at the slide deck on the left side, we can see what the presentation shows the viewers. So to help with further honing in on the South Africa area, I'm going to left click on Insert. I'm going to left click on Shapes. We're going to put an outline of an oval on the section that I'll be honing in on. Going to Shape Fill, left click, No Fill, Shape Outline, left click, make it red. And now I'm going to the weight of it. That line is going to be a little bit thicker at 4.5 points. So that'll help people to focus in on the topic being discussed. Now I'm going to select both slides in the slide deck. So I'll left click one slide or the other, and then press and hold Shift and select the other slide. Once they're both selected, I go up to Transitions, left click on Morph to assign the Morph transition to both of them. Then I will select the first slide, and I'm going down to the right bottom screen icon, left clicking to test and see what I've done. Left click anywhere on the screen. We see that it zooms in on South Africa with the red outline of an oval to help the people who are watching to see what we're talking about. Please tell me in the comments if you tried it, and if so, what did you think? Also, what did the audience think? Thanks for watching and have a great day.